Unlock a faster, safer way to shop online by mastering Apple Pay, your key to seamless digital transactions. Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly use Apple Pay when ordering online, making your checkout process smoother and your financial information more secure than ever. The first step is to ensure you've set up Apple Pay on your iPhone. This involves adding your supported credit or debit cards to your wallet app. Once that's done, you're ready to shop. When you're ready to make a purchase on a website or within an app that accepts Apple Pay, simply proceed to the checkout page as you normally would. Look for the familiar Apple Pay button, often displayed alongside other payment methods like Visa or MasterCard. Go ahead and tap or click it. Your iPhone will then automatically bring up the Apple Pay prompt. You'll see the details of your purchase and the card you wish to use. To authorize the payment, you'll use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Depending on your device, this contactless verification adds a powerful layer of security. What's happening behind the scenes is that your actual card number isn't shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique, encrypted device account number is used, keeping your financial details private. Once authorized, the transaction is confirmed, often with a quick notification on your iPhone. You've successfully completed your online order using Apple Pay. It's that simple, secure, convenient, and incredibly fast. Now go forth and experience the ease of Apple Pay on your next online shopping adventure.